Alright, good morning viewers. This is Varsity Online Tutorials for Science and Engineering students, and I'm Tobias Steven. Alright, we have this question on the board. 9 to the power of x minus 4 to the power of x is equal to 65. Now, how do we work on this? This is a problem. So, I have to express this as an index, then put this as a product, right? I'm not saying vividly that this is the only way. There are other ways to solve this, right? So, make we see how we go work on this kind of stuff. Shall you get? Alright, so this is expressed as 3 squared of x minus 2 squared of x is equal to 13 multiplied by 5, right? Now, remember I told you yesterday, one of the video I shot yesterday, that multiplication is commutative, right? Multiplication is commutative. So with the commutativity, it simply means if I have 2 times 1, it's the same thing as what? 1 times 2, right? So I can now express this as 3 to the power of x all squared minus 2 to the power of x all squared is equal to what? 13 multiplied by 5, right? Now, this and this you're seeing here is reminding us of difference of 2 squared that we did in secondary school that year, where if I have a squared minus b squared, I can express this as what? A plus b into what? A minus b. So I want to link this to this. So I want to express what I have here as this. So I have here as 3 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x into 3 to the power of x minus 2 to the power of x, which is now equal to 13 multiplied by 5, right? So we have 2 possibilities here. Let me take the first possibilities. 2 possibilities we're going to have here. So the very first possibility we have here is that this is equal to this. That is 3 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x is equal to 13. Then we also have another possibility, 3 to the power of x minus 2 to the power of x is equal to 5. This is the first possibility. Then let me take it to the second possibility. Second possibility is 3 to the power of x minus 2 to the power of x is equal to 13. And 3 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x is equal to what? 5. Now, the reason why I'm going with this first possibility, the second possibility is not carried. I'm not going with it because the sum of this is not the sum of this value for this now, 3x minus 2x will not give me 13. It must be greater than what I have here. Must be equal, that's 3x must be greater than 2x greater than 0 to give me this, right? But this man has